So hi guys, my name is Fricilla Anak. So today we will do grilled fish. So let's go. So this is the ingredient we need today. So we have a fish, we have lemon, we have butter, we have yogurt, we have chicken stock, we have eggs, milk, parsley, we have potato, broccoli, mushroom, garlic in Holland, we have salt, oil, and lastly we have a black pepper. Okay, first we need to fillet our fish. So this is the way how we fillet our fish. Okay, our fish is already. So it looks like this and like this. Okay, next we need to put our fish a little bit salt. Just a little bit salt. And we need black pepper. Okay, done. So our fish is done, ready to cook. Okay, firstly we need to open oven and we put our oil. Just a little bit. So we need to wait until our pan become heat. Okay, our pan already heat, so we need to put our fish. So we need to wait until our fish become cooked. So we need to slow our to make sure our fish not burnt or overcooked. Okay, and then we need to flip our fish. And we need to wait until it's okay. Next, we put a little bit butter. slow our temperature. Okay, so guys, our fish is already cooked. Okay, next we will do a lemon yogurt sauce. So this is our ingredient. So firstly, we need to do hollandaise. So first we need to mix our butter. Okay, we need to mix our butter first. So slow the. To add our butter mix. Okay. So we need yolks, eggs, and then we put our mixed butter just a little bit. Mix it together. And then we put it again. And then we put some lemon, just a little bit. Okay, enough. We need to mix it again. And then we need to put a little bit salt, just a little bit salt. Pepper. Okay. Done. Okay, next we will do a lemon yogurt sauce. So firstly, we need to put our butter here. Okay. Louder. We need to add our butter milk. We put our garlic and Holland. Okay, we need to stir it. So our garlic and onion become brown, and then we put a little bit parsley. Just a little bit. And then we put a little bit lemon. And a little bit salt. And then we need to put a black pepper. Then we need to put our chicken stock. So it's already cooked, so we need to close our fire. plus, and we put our yogurt. Okay, we need to mix it. Lastly, we need to put our hollandaise. Put here. Okay, so our lemon yogurt sauce is done. We need to cook our vegetable. We have a broccoli and we have mushroom. So first we need to boil our broccoli. So here. So we need to wait 1 minute and wait our broccoli become soft. Okay guys, our broccoli is already done. So now we need to cook our mushroom and broccoli. Okay, next we will do and cook our mushroom and broccoli. So first we need to mix our butter. Then I'll put our mushroom. Just need to wait until our mushroom is cooked. And then we put our broccoli. Okay, our vegetable is done. Okay, now we will do a mashed potato. So we need potato. We already boiled it. And then we have a salt, we have butter, and we have a black pepper. So first we need to put potato like this. And then we need to do like this. And then finally we put our black pepper. Mix it. Okay, our mashed potato is done. This. Okay, thank you. Our grilled fish is already done. So this is lemon yogurt sauce, and this is a mustard potato, and this is our vegetable, and this is our grilled fish. Okay, thank you.